Hi, Tor Lacey here with a quick overview for virtual field trip number 1, Grand Canyon. There are 3 parts to this, question 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to first click on the link up here, Grand Canyon, which takes me to the virtual field trips. Click Next. This is for question number 1, Unguided Exploration. Question 2, Mystery of Blacktail Canyon. And question 3, Layers and Superposition. For the first part, Unguided Exploration, I click Explore this IVFT. And this takes me to an interactive field trip experience in which I get a sense of what the Grand Canyon actually looks like if you're down inside the canyon. I'm moving the screen around by left clicking and holding. That allows me to grab it. And then if I click on any one of these active arrow named features, it takes me there, and then again I can grab and click and get a sense of how it is. Click here. And in this way you are exploring virtually the Grand Canyon. So this particular trip, the participants were going to these different locations. So I'm going to go back to 50 Mile Granary Base Camp, and those are the people that took the trip. I'll click on this, and by clicking these different mile markers, you see that the numbers are going to get higher and higher. And this is heading down the Grand Canyon. So there we go. And again, I can look around like this. And I'll click here. And I'd like you to continue to do this, working your way on down through the Grand Canyon, and hopefully taking a little time to explore around and get a sense of what it is like in this most famous of national parks and very significant place from a geologic standpoint. And beautiful. Certainly would be nice to take such a trip, rafting down the Grand Canyon. I hope to do that someday myself. All right, hope you enjoy this, and I hope this helps make it easier for you to understand what to do. Thank you for listening.